So previously we have defined the spaces of tensors, but as they are no fun because they don't really interact with each other. So now we want to let them interact with each other a bit. We want to connect them to each other. So what we'll do is that we'll define a notion called a tensor product. Given a tensor f of type KL and g of type PQ, the tensor product of f with g is going to be a tensor of type k plus p and l plus q. So let's define it. So what is the definition of a tensor in here? Do you remember? I remember that was the linear functional, right, from this product. An element of this space will look like this, where these are linear functionals, covectors, and these are just vectors in V. Now we need to define this in such a way that when you apply this to this, we should get a scalar. This should spit out a scalar. Now remember, f comes from here, so f can digest L covectors and k vectors at a time. So let it do that, and then the remaining vectors fit into G, right? So this is a scalar and this is a scalar, so their product is also a scalar, and this is the way we will define the tensor product.